Whether you're looking for a relaxing weekend away or an extended escape, Premier Apartments Fiji promises to be your new home away from home. Exceptionally designed and superbly modern, you'll be proud to call the apartments home throughout your stay. Each spacious suite boasts 2 separate bedrooms, a well-equipped kitchen, separate dining area and a laundry and wash tub. Apartments are also fully air-conditioned to beat the heat and feature soundproof walls to ensure serenity and privacy. Apartments also feature secure undercover parking, meaning you won't have to worry about much during your time away. The large balconies are the perfect place to take in the sights from the privacy of your own home. During the day, head down to the shimmering turquoise lap pool, surrounded by shady palms, or make the short stroll to the beach to wander along the shores. Sit in the sun, drink in hand, and enjoy the tropical climate. The poolside barbecue offers the perfect excuse to whip up a storm and features al fresco dining settings. To keep toned during your time away, the on-site gym is ideal to work up a sweat. Enjoy tangy Fijian and international cuisine at one of the area's many bustling bars and restaurants. Fresh, clean and bright, Premier Apartments in Fiji will feel like home in no time at all.